Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your noise suppression on Discord. So first things first, we're going to need to go to our Discord profile. We can go there by clicking on the bottom right corner icon that has our little profile picture on it. After we click that, it will bring us here. So all we need to do is scroll a bit down and get to these app settings, and then right under the app settings we have voice. We're going to click on voice, and we have inputs, output, and voice processing. We're going to focus on voice processing here. And right under echo cancellation, we have noise suppression, suppress background noise from your mic. So if you have a lot of people talking at home and you don't want your friends hearing them while you game or you talk, you can just customize your noise suppression settings. I'm gonna put it to standard, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.